I'm in touch with people, especially with teenage girls. They tell me every day that we cannot go to school, we are at home, we are depressed. This program can give them hope and can encourage them. All of us are journalists who have come from Afghanistan. In August 2021, we were evacuated from Afghanistan to here, UK. All of us have the same background. We have been in Afghanistan, we have studied there, and we can feel the pain of those girls who are left from school. My father was a teacher and he was killed in a suicide bomb attack 16 years ago. At that time I felt that I want to be a teacher because my father was a teacher. But I became a journalist. But now by presenting this program I think that I have become a teacher and fulfilled my dream and also my father's dream.